Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, and today's video we are going to talk about the iPhone 7. I'm going to review iPhone 7 on iOS 14.4 beta 2. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video. So I'm using my iPhone 7 on this firmware for past 5 to 6 hours, and I'm just checking my mails. I'm doing normal stuff, and I even this time this was the first time that before reviewing a device I played Call of Duty on my iPhone 7. And you know what? Why I do not play Call of Duty on my iPhone 12? Because it is just not the same feeling as iPhone 7. Because iPhone 7 have 3D touch, and I play COD on my iPhone 7, on my iPhone 10s Max, but it is just not the same feeling on iPhone 11, 11 Pro Max, or any device after iPhone 10s Max. So let's get right into today's topic without wasting any more time. Talking about the build number, I already talked about this on my other video. You can check it out. Link is in the iCards. Then also I can repeat here. The build number is 18D5043D. So the build number is this. And talking about the performance improvement is seriously a lot again. Yep, I'm again saying this. When iOS 14.4 beta 1 arrived, I said the same thing because it seriously brought a lot of performance improvement. And it is a so damn good thing that I can see iPhone 7. It is such an old device, but then also getting better day by day after new updates. And it's just really good thing that such an old device Apple still gives it updates, and the update makes it better day by day, which is a really good thing. And if you are a iPhone 7 user, let me know down in comments below, are you guys planning to upgrade your device anytime soon? Because performance of this iPhone 7, or of at least because my iPhone 7 have 100% of battery health, so my iPhone 7 is running really fast. If you guys want, I can do iPhone 12 versus iPhone 7 speed test. Let me know down in comments below, because I just tested my iPhone 7 versus iPhone 12, just scrolling around and opening system maps, and you won't believe both devices were about the same. And in the boot up test, you can't believe that iPhone 7 won in front of the iPhone 12 by 2 seconds. And you got, yep, iPhone 7 was faster in terms of booting on iOS 14.4 beta 2. It was 2 seconds faster, and this is just really amazing thing. And the fact that my device is not even like the top end model, it is a base storage model, because I always go with base storage models, because I do not need any storage, because I always store everything on my laptop, on my PC, so I do not really need a lot of storage to store some things on my phone. 64 gig, 32 gig, it's just the sweet spot for me. Talking about the bug fixes, it is just almost the same as the iOS 14.4 beta 1 in terms of bugs and all. There is some few bug improvements. Bug have been fixed. Some bug fixes are there, but obviously it is not mind-boggling, or there is just not like a UI change or anything. We can't expect it right now. And looking at the build number, we will be seeing more betas in future, so subscribe and turn on notification if you're interested into that. And I'm going to drop a separate review on iPhone 11, 10, iPhone 7. iPhone 7 I've just dropped, and iPhone 10s Max. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notification if you own one of that device, or if you are interested into just watching that video. Now, talking about the battery health, the battery life, how much battery I'm getting from my iPhone. One of the most controversial thing on iOS 14.4 beta 1 that people were asking me on my Twitter at the rate tech hype. I literally answer to all everyone. So you can just DM me on Twitter and at the rate tech hype, and I'll answer you your query related to iOS or any iPhone. So that's it for today's video. If you have any query related to the iPhone 7 on iOS 14.4 beta 2, let me know down in comments below, or DM me on Twitter at the rate tech hype. I'm going to answer you guys. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.